Ndizi TV Obwansu bw'omuguzi mu buryo bw'ogwesemya nakwimanya iguru y'obulimi bw'ekerero obuburakonye uchumi yorogonko rw'oguzi nabwo Kenya nkima kwimokerera iguru
obolemi nobonda voigo obolemi nesiro gosenegete kyomogongo asogokini uchumi ya Kenya amonorogongo rwagusi twabere togotara imeyorogongo rwagusi twabere togokoretera amangana mange obotugi bwechimboli chamabere nigo boirete ekerengege kemono imeyeliro balyagusi
chiamate chiria chiaisanikiriye nendagera nigo chigenderete boronge emanye oburimi bwa mugondo obotugi bwetugo na teknolojia yekerero yabalimi bande bagenderete gutumika na kubaletera ligesa linene na Mildred Momanye
omwancho muligere yakonye tutayenda umutimo kontu agotebingo chotono yo minto ore expert gyokoraga iga ase greenhouse yege omwancho muligere yabono tiganda koira mpaka asitugwesokera cyanga chirito kubeka ekero monta kwenda korusia oboke bono akoganeti oboko bwao chigo cyanga nziri chikobe gutiganda koira na nchende asoka na nje nchikori oboko obu tobase gos
obolemi nobunda kire Jumatatu ensege munene suya maragoba no moiroro ritu koria Jumanne Chinsa Isano na Ibere nechidegeke 15 Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura y'ubuncho lyabwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi eliobwekere abaligereria kurochi county Isano na Ibere echuchira sorogonko rwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akisimi ase namba enoti Isano na Ibere inya isato Isano nemo Ibere isato Isano na isato Isano na Ibere eyemo elioto gwekere gose otutalire ase chiabisi chito echuchira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe ine nubwa tumuchando bwa maiso guse numanye tundu bwa tumuchando bunoyo kerero echuko bara enyomba yogo koreru kubara guse theater yekerero boyo abanyegitari bubwate nigo bwatu bumanyi bwegoro mono ngokora bale laser treatment na corneal transplant boyo mbabwate duka yoko nibiro bya maiso neria ya mariogo babwate asabruiri bakobera na kurwaligwa na boigo bali bakurwaligwa na kogenda chinka cyabo nkwegeria barabanyegitari igoro ya ophthalmology nkwanchira bale medical insurances buna NHIF APA UAP AAR Madison nechinde chinyinge batalire asinye gitari iyo irime y'umucukisi magiga yizukuru y'oburoso ya Kisi Primary angena kusi stadium nabuku bakiresime ase namba nonisato enoti Isano na Ibere enoti kianda Isano na Ibere gose enoti Isano na Ibere enoti Ibere Isano na isato enoti eyemo marakabere kianda isato Kisi Eye Hospital macho bora maisha bora Ndizi TV Obwansu bw'omuguzi
Mugasome mwancho muligereria na kwaleganiria ndonsi ya soberete keroreri tukolia Jumapili chitariki 25 na Ibere omotienyi noyo kabere omwaka bwechiri bwibere na 22 na kwaleganiria semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere buna nagotebire ekero na kwaleganire asenchira yobwenge na bakogendera gotobwatia gwetera senchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube nkoira nande asegeke kekerebosyo egere nkomanyinga narariaya naga kwaleganirie inche nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no ria tukubwatirana nera sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Aota ekero tukoya chaka korwase kaunti ya Kisii abwase litukuri igoro omoyega bwe kwenanwa kwebiegwa okoregete asoma boganio o Camel Park abwase gwetania abante 35 benyorerete ebiegwa ebyo gose award ase mirimo yabagokora ase amate gati yabali banyorete ebiegwa ebyo ngamono mo county police commander Moske Francis Kooli, omo waziri bwa marimo Dr. Walter Okibo, Edna Kangwana na Crispin Otieno gati y'abantu bande abo bayatuchi award echo korwase kyombe kemo kirimeyense ya America kimanyekanite buna I Change Nations Global Organizations abwase bagetenga mbuyamono asebye webyo.
The individuals that we went through and we vetted were highly qualified for these awards. As a matter of fact, these awards have been given out to presidents, first ladies, prime ministers, kings, you name it, across the world. But when we looked at the information that was provided to us by the awards committee, from the information, the people that submitted their bios and their body of work, we felt like they may not have the same title, but they're certainly the same quality.
Ngokora se county government ya Kisii muno mo minister wa administration lakini naende ninganjite ko kolega asyo ko kwanya baminto ase gusina ase Kenya rero twatwara bagen baru ase nseri ya America basa koruchi award thanks so muno mito ko Dominic Obadia obwenete ko we award in the United States akabasaba banyare goza
ameweza kunifanya niwe ambassador kwa kikundi ambacho kinajulikana kama ICN duniani. Na kazi ambayo ninafanya ni kushughulikia na kusaidia wale ambao wasiojiweza katika jamii. Kitu ambacho ningependa kuambia Wakenya wenzangu, tusaidiane kama Wakenya, tuinuane kama Wakenya kwa sababu sisi wote ni watoto wa Mungu.
Mwanju murigereria inyore kyombekyo gia I Can Change Nations nigokere ase chinse emieyemo na 54 usuka mutwe omo waziri bwechisemi omoske Professor George Magoha nigatebire buna matemwa manene yo mwaka oyo igango chiare gokoreka ochagera chitariki 14 cyumutinyo gocha asa matemwa a KCSE abwasarurege kurege tindi gochia saborokia bali baratoke bagokora obuibi ase amatemwa yo niko boiga matemwa yo arego chagokore ko mwaka era kurenda sengencho binyinyi bya COVID-19 agasukirwa bosyo goika omwaka oyo o 2022 amona barakiwa bali be areganetie amatemwa a 2022 niko barache ko yikaransa omutienyi oikomi na kabere.
Like I said yesterday, please don't be fooled. There are individuals who are coming to school principals, and some school principals are naive enough to give them data so that they can provide A's for them. That is the most stupid thing you can do in the Kenya of today. Of course, they want money, and if you have money to give them, and you are stupid, give them the money. There is no way you are going to see our exams until it's open for the children on the day of the examination. There is also no way you are going to mess around with any marks during the marking, because we have CCTV cameras and we have other agencies everywhere. So even if you have a child and you want to add 10 marks, it will not be possible. Are we together? Yes. But the Kenyans are very interesting people. There are people who are going to waste their money and they are going to confuse their children.
No monjoryo monene Jimmy Wanjigi nigo atangetwe waswase umusangerekano o NDC bwekiama kia ODM magagayogo chana babwatani baye gento keirete esagasaga gose chiburaburu gati ya barabo amo n'abanyanyimbo nigo nonya nabo ayiretwe gwika segetaseni kia abanyanyimbo ase nonya nabo ataikiranete aso umusangerekano yokoregete asensemo ya Kasarani imiyemo cyo Nairobi.
It's unfortunate that I had to run. I think that was the saddest point, that I'm not a man made to run away from anything. But the view was that it's going to get very messy if I stay.
Tulijaribu kumzuia, telling him no, you cannot bring, hawezi kuleta wafuasi kwa sasa. Huu ni mkutano maalum ambao umepangwa wa viongozi kutoka Kenya mzima. Lakini alikataa.
Nigo barenge ababisa banene bage siasa aso mwaka w'ekirwi ibere na 13 oiko mwaka w'ekirwi ibere na 15 na ibere kurende bono omorai bwenso musike Uhuru Kenyatta no morai w'ekiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigo barorekanire ko babasani amono bwa matebwe mono kuri mwaka w'ekirwi ibere na 15 na 3 abwase bakwananeti gose handshake korengana na Uhuru handshake nigo yaenekirie emerobiri menge ya serikali goikerana ko bwanonya n'entunde ntangani iyo borai bwae nigaya kwaneta ya igoro chingaki cy'umuyega ONDC w'ekiama kia ODM ime ya Kasarani.
Wengi ambao walikuwa karibu pia na Raila, ambao walikuwa wanamwambia huwezi kukaa meza moja na huyo Uhuru Kenyatta. Mind and spirit, Raila had the love of this country to know that a handshake was important.
Kasema imetosha, tukutane tena masaa 6 kwa jumla masaa 19
ambaye tumetenda tukiwa pamoja na huyu mzee wangu. Hii miaka 4 yazidi ile yote tulikuwa tumefanya huko mbele. Na mheshimiwa Raila katika sehemu mbalimbali za nchi hii,
mwambie mimi nitakuwa mshauri yako. Sitaki chochote kwa serikali, sitaki kupatia kazi au watu yangu yoyote, tumechukua mtu yangu awe waziri.
Na barai kuruase kanisa yege Katoliki nigo baburetie abakenya bonsi amona bana siasa kuralio morembe chinga kechi chia siasa gose chinga kechi cyobo chori obonene nigo batebete buna ense tabwatio morembe nige kwene kia mangana manga mabe na igo kugania bana siasa mono kulinda chinkwa na cyabo nigo baya kwanetaya litukuri igoro chinga kibare guchakia engane manyikanete buna Lent osomotienyi bwo kwengata elio gosabira omorembe imense ya Kenya.
To all of us that we raise above the partisan politics of the day. Let us not be divided by this side or the other side, but let us be united by the death of Christ on the cross.
The kind of choices we make when we cast our votes, I believe all of us Kenyans want a leadership that will address corruption as one of the major sources of poverty, to elect leaders who promote respect for the rule of law by all.
As a representative of the international community, that we will do what we can to walk with Kenyans and to assist Kenyans in ensuring that the elections will be free, fair, peaceful and transparent.
Omorai w'ekiama kia Democratic Party oyoba igoro monogari bwe bunge nene Justin Muturi nigaganiria abarai bali bakuriye birogo ao kubeka mangana y'abasaye bosyo nigo baigatu guteirare engana buna abasaye n'abarai bankyo abwasate biro buna chinga kicheikire abasaye bagwenerete kora ense ya Kenya nigatebeta buna aisa ko bomarayo gatano bwense yiga nigarache kwenekia buna mangana y'abasaye amona basubati abekwiro motu elikoenekia obobagi gose kwenekia amaya gati ya Bakenya bonsi.
Kwa nini watu walipigania uhuru? It must have a bearing, it must translate to something that is beneficial to the mwananchi. And these are the things that hii mambo ya kusema tulipigania uhuru na hakuna things to do with education, things to do with health. Hizi ni vitu ambavyo serikali inatakiwa kusimamia bila kudai mwananchi pesa yoyote. It is unfair ati nchi hii katika wizara 22 ni wizara moja ati inaambiwa ya youth. Na hata ikitengezwa hiyo ya youth inakuwa department. Surely, are we being fair? The youth comprise more than 70% of the population of this country. if we want to meet, if we mean what we say, that the youth should be the engine that drives the growth of this country, then we need to see it in government. All government ministries must be youth-centric.
Ayunga tiyari ngendere kwariganiria korwa se studio ochiko yanyora na inde chigo chekoraga chinsa ikomi chiabono mogaso gosebono maragoba biamono wachora kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusi na nigongwa kambi yamono gochia se producer ne John Kebati amono litwali kubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Aota na inche nako yasomera senchera yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nagokurentera chibiche chinkia nabwo igo chinkeno nukukigima nabwo tonyora asoro gonko bwogusi